Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin with the essentials. Confirm the Samsung is on and has charge. Remove cases or wired accessories so buttons respond. Now, press and hold the power key until the power menu appears. Once the menu is visible, you're positioned to access deeper boot options. This step is necessary because safe mode is triggered from the system-level power controls, not an app. Make sure the screen is unlocked and responsive before continuing. If it isn't, try a quick reboot first. Once the power menu is visible, press and hold the power off tile. Keep holding until the safe mode prompt appears. This tells the system you want diagnostic startup. Then tap safe mode to confirm. The phone will reboot and launch with only core Samsung apps running. You'll see a safe mode watermark in the lower left corner. This verifies third-party apps are disabled. If the phone boots normally, repeat the long press step, and if that still fails, use the hardware method described next. To finish, simply restart your phone to exit safe mode. A normal reboot restores all apps. If the power menu method doesn't work, power off and then power on while holding volume down. This forces safe mode on many Samsung models. Make sure buttons aren't stuck from a case or debris because stuck keys can block the sequence. Key troubleshooting tip. If repeated attempts fail, remove the case, clean buttons, and try again. If problems persist, a quick app uninstall or factory settings check.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.